Hello students, how are you? I hope you will be fine and safe. We are on page number 44. Okay, I think you know that, and we have started 2.4 lesson, the fall of Troy part 2 in the previous lecture, and we have completed first 5 paragraphs on page number 44, and now we are going to learn last paragraph on page number 44. Okay, so last paragraph. As they were wondering how the horse had been built and why it had been left behind, they found a Greek with his hands tied together lying under it. So as the Trojans were thinking, because the Trojans felt that the Greek people ran away from the Troy city, they left the city. Okay, but Trojan people found there a Greek man. Okay, Greek man, and his hands tied together lying under it. Okay, and also they found a big horse. You know that the plan of the Greek people, Greek soldiers, was to keep or to place there a big horse. Inside the big horse there were Greek people, Greek soldiers or Greek fighters. And when Trojans came out of the walls in the morning, they found the horse. They found the horse and with man, Greek man. And so they were wondering. They were wondering means they were thinking. They were thinking how the horse had been built. Such a big horse, such a huge horse. And they were thinking how the huge horse had been built and why the horse had been left behind by Greek people. At that time they found a Greek man. Okay, they found Greek man with his hands tied together, and the man was lying under the horse. Okay, next, when the Trojans dragged him out, the man pretended to be very frightened of them. When the Trojans dragged the man under the horse, the man pretended. Pretended means he showed. You can say he made drama. He made drama of very frightened. He showed that he was very frightened. Okay. When he was commanded to tell them, when Trojans commanded, tell us what happened. Who are you? जब उन्होंने command दिया उसे. Okay. When he was commanded to tell them why the Greeks had gone, Trojan people commanded that man tell us why the Greeks had gone, what happened with Greek people and why they had left this horse behind. Okay, उसे धमकी दी, उसे कमांड दिया मैन को कि बताओ हमें कि ये ग्रीक पीपल यहाँ से भाग क्यों गए और जाते समय उन्होंने हॉर्स यहाँ क्यों रखा है. Okay, why they left this horse behind. He pretended to tremble very much and refused to speak. So the Greek man pretended to tremble. Pretended to tremble means he showed to tremble. Actually he was not trembling. Actually he was not frightened. But he pretended to tremble means to shiver. थर-थर कांपने का उसने नाटक किया very much and refused to speak. The man was not ready to speak. When at last they threatened, page number 44 completed. At last when Trojan people threatened that man to kill him, he spoke and told them this false tale. The man told Trojan people false tale. Okay, जैसा उन्होंने प्लान किया था वैसा उसने बताना शुरू कर दिया. False tale. The Greeks are tired of the long war and have sailed away in their ships, he said. The man said Greeks were tired of the long war and so they have sailed away. But they are afraid of the long voyage home too. Greek people were afraid of, they were frightened of long voyage. What is voyage? Voyage is a sea journey. Okay, so Greek people were afraid of long sea journey when they were going towards the home. So they have made this horse and left it as a offering to the god of the sea. मैन ने कहा कि इस हॉर्स को एज अ ऑफरिंग, जैसे हम भगवान को एक प्रसाद चढ़ाते हैं वैसे एज अ ऑफरिंग टू द गॉड ऑफ सी उन्होंने इस हॉर्स को तैयार किया. They wanted also to kill me and offer me as a sacrifice to the sea god. The man told them lie. The man told them what he told them. Greek people wanted to kill that man and wanted to offer that man as a sacrifice. मतलब उसने कहा कि वो मेरी भी बलि चढ़ाना चाहते थे. Okay, sacrifice to the sea god. But I escaped and hid from them. He told that he had escaped. He had run away from the Greek people and hide himself in the or under the horse or behind the horse. Okay, paragraph is completed. Next paragraph. But why did the Greek make such a long, huge horse? Some of the Trojans asked. ट्रोजन लोगों ने पूछा कि why did Greek people made such a huge horse? And the cunning Greek made this reply. Cunning means wicked. Wicked Greek man gave them reply. If they had made a smaller offering, you might have taken it into your city. अगर उन्होंने छोटा घोड़ा बनाया होता तो आप इजीली आपके सिटी में उसको ले आते. Okay, then the luck would have gone to the Trojans and would not to the Greek people. The luck would have gone to you, not to the Trojan people. Okay, not to the Greek people, sorry. That is why they made it too big to go inside your gates. That is why the Greek people made the horse too big. Why they made it too big? That you could not get that horse into your city. You were not able to get that horse into your city, so they made it too huge, too big. Paragraph completed. Next paragraph. The Trojans were delighted to hear this. The Trojans were delighted. They were happy. They were happy to hear this. The Greeks have gone, they say. Trojan people felt sure that the Greeks have gone. Greek लोग भाग गए, हम लोग जीत गए. ग्रीक लोग भाग गए, उनको ऐसा लगा. And the walls are no longer necessary. They felt that these strong walls are not necessary for us. Let us make a hole in the wall and drag the horse in. So Trojan people decided to make a hole in the wall and drag that big horse into the Troy city. Okay, so this was happening as actual the planning of Greek people. Greek people को पता था कि ये सब होने वाला है, तो उनके प्लानिंग के अकॉर्डिंग ही सब हो रहा था. Greek Trojan people now decided to drag that big horse into the city. Paragraph completed. Next paragraph. Their wise priest warned them not to do so. There was a wise sadhu among the Trojan people, and that sadhu warned people, don't do that. It may be a trick that will ruin us. Ruin means destroy. It will be a trick. It would be a trick of Greek people, and that trick would be expensive, or that trick would be killing for us. Okay, it will ruin us. It will destroy us. He said, you will bring disaster on the city if you break down the walls. Sadhu again, the priest again warned Trojan people, if you made the hole in the wall and if you bring that horse in the city, you will bring disaster. Disaster means calamity. Okay, you will bring calamity, you will bring disaster on the city if you break down the walls. These walls are necessary for Troy city. Don't break the walls. The sadhu warned again and again. But they were so excited that they paid no attention to his words. But Trojan people were very much excited. वो इतना excited हुए थे, इतना excited हुए थे कि they paid no attention. They ignored the advice of sadhu. They ignored the advice of priest. Okay? उन्होंने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. They broke down the part of their strong wall in order to drag the horse in. Trojan people broke down the strong wall at last, and they dragged the big horse finally into their city. All that day the Trojans feasted and drank and celebrated. Now that day was the celebration day for the Trojan people. All that day Trojan people feasted. Feasted means they enjoyed delicious dishes. They enjoyed party. They drank, okay, and they celebrated the day. They celebrated the victory of Trojans. Actually, it was not victory, but the Trojan people felt that that day was the day of victory, and so they celebrated that day with delicious food items and drinks. After all their celebration, they went to sleep and slept soundly. पूरा दिन सेलिब्रेशन करने के बाद ट्रोजन पीपल रात में जाके सो गए, और यहीं से ग्रीक लोगों का wicked plan, cunning plan start हो गया. They went to sleep and Trojan people slept soundly, peacefully, खर्राटे मारते हुए सो गए. But that day of rejoicing was soon followed by a night of terror and death. और rejoicing की वो जो रात थी, मतलब rejoicing means enjoying, the day of enjoying, the day of enjoyment, the day of rejoicing was followed by the night of terror and death. Okay? दिन तो एंजॉय भरा था, एंजॉयमेंट से भरा था, लेकिन रात हो गई टेरर और डेथ की रात. नाइट ऑफ टेरर एंड डेथ फॉर ट्रोजन पीपल. पैराग्राफ कंप्लीटेड. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ, लास्ट पैराग्राफ ऑन पेज नंबर 45. The Greek ships had not sailed far as to their plan. According to their plan, Greek ships had not gone far away from the Troy city. The Greek ships had not sailed far away from the Troy city. As soon as they were hidden by an island, they had lowered their sails and dropped anchor and waited for the night. Okay, as soon as the Greek people were hidden by an island, सभी ग्रीक लोग एक आइलैंड पर जाके, नजदीक जो आइलैंड था, आइलैंड पे जाके वो छिप गए थे. And they had lowered their sails. Sails is the part of ship. उस शिप के उस पार्ट को उन्होंने लोअर कर दिया. Okay, means they hide their ships also, and they dropped anchor. They dropped anchor there, means they stopped there and waited for the night. Okay, Greek people waited for the night because they knew that Trojans would enjoy the day and they will sleep at night, so they were waiting for the night to attack. In the darkness, the fleet sailed back, and the leading ship, which was Agamemnon's, bore a red light high on its mast. So, in the darkness of night, the fleet sailed back. The ship sailed back. The leading ship was the ship of Agamemnon's ship, and that ship bore a red light. Bore a red light means red light on that ship. The ship started to sail. Red light on its mast. Mast is the, you can say, pole on the ship. Okay, and on that pole red light was on Agamemnon's ship, and Agamemnon's ship was the leading ship. The watching for the return of the fleet crept to the wooden horse and gave the signal. Greek people who was watching the return to the fleet, they were waiting to return to the fleet, crept to the wooden horse. Okay, they crept means they went silently in the wooden horse and gave the signal to the other ships. Okay, the side of the horse opened. When they gave signal, the opening side of the horse opened. The whole Greek army entered into the sleeping city, and as soon as the door of the horse opened, the whole Greek army entered into the sleeping city, because already the horse was in the Troy city. Okay, and Greek people came and opened the gate. They gave signal and the gate was opened and they entered into sleeping city. Immediately the Greeks set fire to the houses and towers and palaces and began to burn and kill. As soon as the Greek people entered into the city, they began to burn the houses, towers and palaces, and the killing started by Greek people. Okay, so in this way we have completed page number 45. Rest of the part of the lesson we will learn in the next lecture. Thank you.